Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear grade 6 students, hello again. I am Ahmed Al-Farahati and I wish you all the best of everything. Today, inshallah, we will study Unit 5, Time for Fun, Lesson 10. Please open your class book to page 48. This page. What are the aims of this lesson? Let's check. Unit 5, Time for Fun, Lesson 10. Class book page 48, Activity 1. Skills book page 56, Activities 1, 2, and 3. The aims. In this lesson, students will answer WH questions after reading an email, complete punctuation rules, write dates correctly, adding punctuation to them, punctuate questions and answers. Let's go to page 48 of your class book. Activity 1. Read and answer. Look at the email from Maha to her friend Randa and look at the pictures around it. What do you think the email is going to be about? Let's look at the email and these pictures. What do you think the email is going to be about? Yes, excellent. It's going to be about the round the world trip. Now, read Maha's email and answer the questions below. To randa@ikc.com. From maha@ikc.com. Subject: round the world trip. Dear Randa, I have got fantastic news. I won the IKC round the world competition. Ahmed did as well. So we're going to visit 8 different countries and visit lots of our IKC friends. My dad is going to go with me and Ahmed's eldest sister is going to go with him. We're going to fly from Oman to Australia first to visit David. This is Ahmed's second trip to Australia, but it's my first time. I hope we're going to see kangaroos and koala bears. I love them. Then we're going to fly to Japan to visit Toshi. We're going to stay with Toshi's family in their house in Tokyo. After that, we're going to fly to the USA to visit Ben and Maria. We're all going to spend a day in Disneyland as well. Next, we're going to fly to England to visit Vicky, Paul, and Susie. We're going to stay there for about a week. I am really pleased because I miss Vicky and Paul very much. Then, after England, we're going to fly to Russia to visit Petra. Petra's going to take me to the Palais in Moscow, but Ahmed isn't going to go. He doesn't like ballet. After Russia, we're going to visit Abbas in Iran. We're going to stay with his family in Tehran. Then we're going to go to Jordan to visit Tariq. We're going to visit the ancient city of Petra. It sounds fantastic. I am going to take lots of photographs. Finally, we're going to come and visit you in Palestine. I am so excited. I am going to let you know exactly when we're going to be there when the IKC has booked all the tickets. I can't wait to see you again. Love, Maha. Let's read the questions. 1. Which country are Maha and Ahmed going to visit first? Australia. This is done for you. 2. What does Maha hope she's going to see in Australia? 3. Who are Maha and Ahmed going to stay with in Tokyo? 4. Where are they going to visit after Japan? 5. Who are Maha and Ahmed going to see in England? 6. What are Maha and Petra going to do in Moscow? 7. Where are Maha and Ahmed going to stay in Iran? 8. What place are Maha and Ahmed going to visit in Jordan? 9. Who are Maha and Ahmed going to visit in Palestine? Take your time to answer these questions, then come back to check your answers. Hello again. I'll write the answers in order to check yours. 2. Kangaroos and koala bears. 3. Toshi's family. 4. The USA. 5. Vicky, Paul, and Susie. 6. Go to Bali. 7. With Abbas and his family. 8. The ancient city of Petra, or we can say Petra. 9. Randa. These are the answers. You can check yours. Now let's go to page 56 of your skills book. You're writing punctuation, activity 1. Think and complete. How much do you remember about punctuation? Remember, we use punctuation to make our writing easier to understand. Look at Robbie's punctuation rules below. Use the words in the book to help you complete the rules. We use at the beginning of a sentence. We use at the end of a sentence. We use to take a little rest in a sentence. We use for names of people and places. We use for names of the days and months. We use when we write the word I. We use to separate all things in a list. We use a at the end of a question. A capital letter, a question mark, a capital letter, a comma, full stop, capital letter, a comma, a capital letter. In this activity, we will revise the punctuation rules that we've studied. Take your time to complete the rules, then come back to check your answers. Hello again. I'll complete these rules in order to check your answers. Yes, we use a capital letter at the beginning of a sentence. We use a full stop at the end of a sentence. We use a comma to take a little rest in a sentence. We use a capital letter for names of people and places. We use a capital letter for names of the days and months. We use a capital letter when we write the word I. When we write the pronoun I, we use a capital letter. We use a comma to separate all the things in a list. And we use a question mark at the end of a question. Thank you. Activity 2. Look at these dates. They have all been written without punctuation. Can you correct them? Wednesday, the 22nd of September 2004. Saturday, the 14th of February, or you can say February 1998. Thursday, the 8th of April 2010 or 2010. Dear students, when we write dates, we put a comma after the day and before the year. Take your time to punctuate these dates, then come back to check your answers. Hello again. I'll punctuate these dates in order to check your answers. Yes, Wednesday, capital W, because this is a day. Then we put a comma. 22nd of September, capital S, because this is a month. Then we put a comma. Then we write the year. And here, Saturday, capital S, because this is the day. Then we put a comma. 14th of February, capital F. Then we put a comma and write the year, 1998. And here, Thursday, capital T, because this is a day. Then we put a comma. 8th of April, capital A, because this is a month. Then we put a comma and write the year, 2010 or 2010. Thank you. Activity 3. Think and write. Look at these questions and answers about a famous Moroccan explorer. The punctuation has been left out. Write the questions and answers again and add the punctuation to them. 1. When was Ibn Battuta born? 2. He was born in Morocco in 1304. 3. What countries did Ibn Battuta visit? 4. He visited many countries including Egypt, Yemen, Jordan, and Oman. Now you are asked to add the punctuation to these questions and answers. Write them here, then come back to check your answers. Hello again. I'll punctuate these questions and answers in order to check your answers. 1. When, capital W, was Ibn Battuta born? Then we put a question mark. 2. He, capital H, was born in Morocco, capital M, in 1304. Then we put a full stop. And here we have 2 was. We can delete this one. Yes. 3. What countries, capital W, did Ibn Battuta, capital I, capital B, visit? Then we put a question mark. 4. He visited, capital H, many countries including Egypt, capital E. Then we put a comma. Yemen, capital Y. Then we put a comma. Jordan, capital J. And Oman, capital O. Then we put a full stop. Thank you. By this we've achieved the aims of this lesson. Thank you for following me. Goodbye.